let us start with stacked buying and selling. Now, this occurs when you get multiple imbalances stacked on consecutive boxes on an order flow chart. All right. So, what do I mean by that? So, we saw that, order flow chart is plotted like this. We have aggressive buyers on the right side and aggressive sellers on the left side. All right. Now, let's say market is going down and you see imbalance after imbalance on the sell side. All right. Consecutive boxes turning red tells you that the sellers were aggressive as compared to the diagonally opposite buyers. When such stacking occurs, like boxes after boxes turn red, telling us that the imbalance continued throughout that price range, it is an area where, like in this case, the sellers were firmly in control. If it happens from the opposite side, obviously buyers will be firmly in control. Okay. But it also occurs, during breakout and breakdown situations. So let's say this is a resistance. We come here, we get resisted a couple of times, and then we finally break out. This is the area where you will see this kind of action. I mean, not the red boxes, but you will see green boxes stacking one upon another. Right? What is it telling you? That when the breakout is happening, some strong buying is happening, buyers are supporting the breakout and they will likely push the auction higher. But stacked buying and selling is aggressive buying and selling. And we know who takes the opposite side of the aggressive buying and selling: limit buying and selling. So that is the next point in our discussion. So always beware that who is taking the other side. Sometimes aggressive buying and selling will push the auction in the direction of the trend and you will get a good breakout or a breakdown. But more often than not, you need to see where it is happening. It is likely that the smart money is present from the opposite side via limit orders. And this limit order will get the better of you. You will end up chasing the price only to see that it failed and came back down again. Something similar happened yesterday. All right. So always be aware that if you are chasing aggressive buying and selling in the form of stacked buying and selling, always check if you have limit buying or selling happening from the opposite side. And then you have to put this in context. If the context suggests that this limit buyers might get the better of you, it is not the time to follow these stacked buyers or sellers. All right. So let us look at some examples, but I believe that we should quickly cover limit buying and selling and then go and find examples of both together. All right. So